Skip the iPhone 17 Pro Max and hold out for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. That's the smarter move. And here's why. Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 may look tempting, but the real leap is coming in 2026. The first major reason is the front design. The dynamic island, introduced with the iPhone 14 Pro, is expected to shrink dramatically. Two scenarios are on the table, either a much smaller island, almost 50% reduced, or under-display Face ID with only a tiny hole punch for the selfie camera. While both are possible, most reports point toward the slimmer island being the likely outcome. This would give the iPhone 18 Pro Max a cleaner, more refined look, something users won't get with the 17. Next is the camera system, which could see its biggest shift in years. Apple is reportedly preparing to add variable aperture technology to the main sensor. Unlike the fixed aperture used today, this feature would allow the lens to adjust automatically depending on the lighting, ensuring better photos in both bright daylight and dark settings. Pair this with Apple's decision to move away from Sony and return to Samsung as its camera sensor supplier, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max could take iPhone photography to an entirely new level. Performance is also set for a significant upgrade. At its core will be the A20 chip, manufactured on TSMC's 2-nanometer processor. This isn't just an incremental step. It will pack billions of transistors more tightly than ever before, delivering major gains in both speed and efficiency. Industry insiders suggest the jump from A19 to A20 will be far more noticeable than the upgrade between A18 and A19. Adding to this, the iPhone 18 series will include 12 gigabytes of RAM, but with faster memory speeds than the iPhone 17 models. That means quicker multitasking, faster loading, and smoother AI performance. Connectivity won't be left behind either. Apple is developing a new C2 communication chip which will handle 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth with more efficiency than the current C1. This not only improves network speeds, but also helps conserve battery life. Speaking of batteries, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to use carbon-based cells. Already being adopted by other smartphone makers, these batteries promise faster charging, improved durability, and better daily performance compared to traditional lithium-ion. In terms of design, don't expect a huge overhaul just yet. Apart from the refined dynamic island, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will look very similar to the iPhone 17. Apple is reportedly holding back a full redesign until the iPhone 20, but the real appeal of the 18 lies in its internals rather than its exterior. Mark the date, September 2026 is when Apple is expected to launch the iPhone 18 lineup. Pricing is set to remain the same as the iPhone 17 series, with the iPhone 18 Pro starting around $1,049 and the Pro Max at $1,249 in the US